Using my nail file, I removed the shine from my nails. This allows the nails to stay on longer. If you watch my previous video, then you already know what's up. Using the alcohol, I go in and dehydrate the nail and also clear off any dust. After opening the package and getting the nails all out, I'm going to go through and size, see what nail fits my natural nail, and go from there. My only complaint with this kit is that the nails are shaped oddly, and there didn't seem to be a really perfect fit for any of my nails, which is unusual and something that's actually never happened to me before when using these kits. I just continued to go through and size up all my nails. I looked for the match of the nail that fit my right hand and just went by numbers to go ahead and pick out the left hand. I did kind of switch up the holograph nail and the sparkly nail. By the way, these are freaking gorgeous and I love the length. Like I said, my only complaint is that it's just oddly shaped. I'm going through now and I'm using the cuticle pusher that came in the kit to prep my cuticles for the application. I tried my best to fix these nails so that they would fit properly. It was still really odd, but I'm going through with my old acrylic that I got from a previous Kiss kit. Excuse me. And I am trying a method actually for the first time, the acrylic method, using just a bead of acrylic and using that as the adhesive to add the nails on. I had some issue with it, mainly because I was using the wrong type of brush, so I got a different brush, and that really helped me get my bead size correct. And I also decided to use a little dab of glue with it because the thumb just didn't feel too secure with the acrylic. I'm not sure if that's because I was using the wrong kind of brush or what, but with the bead of acrylic and the glue, it felt really snug, really on there, really secure. I'm excited to see how long my nails last with this process. If you watched my last How to Make Your Nails Last Longer video, I can get my press-ons to last for 2 weeks just by doing 2 simple steps. Make sure you watch that video. I'll leave it in the description. So I'm excited to see how long my nails will last with the addition of the acrylic. Wow. And that's all there is to it. These nails are gorgeous. Glam Fantasy is the perfect name for them. They look amazing in the long length. I am so happy with how these came out. Other than the fit, the sides are a little wonky, but for press-ons, these are beautiful. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Click the bell so you don't miss when I upload. Set the notifications to always, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.